Happy New Year, Mr. Sanchez, Mr. Lepore, and all the students. So this is what it's like on a farm up in Montana with the morning temperature of -14 and now at exactly 0 Fahrenheit. And I'd like to give you a tour of what you do on a farm in the snow. Happy 2017.
Okay, if you're interested in seeing how cold it is inside the house, then let's open the blinds up and take a look at that. That is ice on the inside of the window.
The chickens need to be kept super warm. So I've got this heat light inside the chicken coop. Woo, and is it cold. Even their water has to be heated. Okay, we take a look at the two fields, and we've got this first field that seems to have a lot of mounds on it, and then the second field is where the cows are, and that field doesn't have any mounds. It's like pure pristine snow. So I first thought this was a snowdrift coming in and cleaning up one area, but this says a lot about different animal behavior in the snow. And so let's take a look at why this field is mounded and the other is not. The cows don't have this instinct to dig. So what they do is they wait for their next feeding. They're waiting for me to bring them the food. They will not move. They have multiple chamber stomachs. So all they do is sit there and regurgitate and digest. Whereas the horses are looking for food at all times. When the horse digs beneath the snow, you can see that there's latent or dead grass, and that's what they're after. Here is a Welsh pony, and his name is Solo. He's separated from the women who are out in the field. The water needs to be heated with an electrical coil in order for it to stay liquid. Otherwise, it would become a solid too. Take a look at the thick coat that the horse has for the winter. So they're able to withstand these minus temperatures fairly well, but they need to eat a lot of hay, and the hay in their digestion produces tremendous amount of heat, in which allows them to sustain through these cold days. Since the summertime doesn't have this snow, you need to use these irrigation pipes to be able to irrigate the field. So every 6 hours,
you have to lay these pipes out, run water through them, and sprinkle, and then move them 6 hours later. So to be able to get this entire field into hay, it takes quite a lot of work.
All right. The hay is collected at the end of the summer and stored into the outdoor barn. In this outdoor barn is where it's kept dry and fungus free, and this load is about 8 tons of hay in order to feed the horses throughout this winter time. At this point, even with these gloves on, my hands are now freezing and I'm going to have to go inside. So take it easy, and thanks for seeing a little bit of the farm.